what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, boy, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
Hey beauties, hey baddies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanyella. If you are new here, please go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified whenever I post. So y'all, I have not did my own hair since last year, so do not come for me. I think I did pretty good to say it's been a little minute, you know what I'm saying? But y'all, I just cannot believe this wig was only $80. Like, are you serious? $80? That's it? And I received the hair this unit in 3 days. This is a 2-part series, and with that being said, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. Go ahead, hit the notification bell so y'all can get notified when I post, y'all. I'm going to give y'all all the tea, like where I purchased this unit from, the specs on the hair, was it worth my $80? Like, y'all, I wanted to find some good quality hair for my girls, and y'all, this hair really something for $80, y'all. I'm shook. I'm over here shook, honey.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new bed, I had the one, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. Oh, they're so cute! If I wanna perform in the back end, just came in and out gunners. Vibes below cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't need comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it smoke, we ain't riding. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown off this way. Doing all these shows, I been on the road. I don't care where I go, as long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown off this way. Doing all these shows, I been on the road. I don't care where I go, as long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.
Every other night another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day.
And one more thing before I end this video, to all my beauties and all my baddies, I'm going to read this quote from Joyce Meyer, and it says, "In the midst of your battles, never forget that God loves you and He has a plan for you. You are loved, period." Period.
Like a better spell a name. Drip too hard, crushing on the floor. You gon' fuck around and tryna ride a nigga away.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close.